Hey guys, what's up? Brendan from Whispernode here. And now that the secret Ethereum bridge is live, I want to give you guys a beginning to end tutorial of how to lock up your Ethereum in ERC-20s on the bridge to earn those bridge mining rewards. So let's jump into it, guys. First thing you're going to do is go to bridge.secret.network here, and you're going to click the bridge tab, and you're going to connect both your MetaMask and Kepler wallets. So let's do that real quick here. If you do not have a Kepler wallet, you will need one for this. There's another tutorial that I did that shows you how to create that wallet. So I'll share that link below, guys. All right, both my wallets are connected here. If you're using ERC-20 tokens, you're just going to click this ERC-20 button here and select your token. I'm using Ethereum, however, so I'm just going to put in my amount of Ethereum to convert here. 0.1. I'm going to click use my address. It'll automatically pull in my Kepler address. Click continue. It's going to ask me to sign a transaction on my MetaMask, and I'm going to confirm that there. And then I'm going to have to wait a couple minutes for this transaction to go through. So I'll do that. I'll cut this video, and then I'll come back when it's confirmed, guys. Alright guys, back here. Looks like that MetaMask transaction was successful. I now have converted Ethereum to Secret Ethereum. I'm getting a message down here that it was successful. So next thing I need to do is create my Secret Ethereum viewing keys. So I'm going to click this view balance button here. It's going to automatically pop up with this Kepler window. Fill in the Secret Ethereum viewing key address. I'm going to click submit. Click set fee here. Approve that transaction. Give that a couple seconds, and bam, those keys are now created, and now I can see my Secret Ethereum balance of 0.1 down here. That means I successfully created it. It is in my wallet. If I go to my Kepler wallet up here, I will also see the balance at the bottom here. There it is, the 0.1 Secret Ethereum. So now that I have that 0.1 Ethereum, I want to deposit it in the bridge contract so I can earn those bridge mining rewards. So how I do that is I go over to this earn button here, click that. You may be using a different ERC-20 token. As you can see, I have 0.1 Secret Ethereum available to deposit. So I'm going to click that. Click this 100% button to stake all of that in the bridge mining contract. Click this earn button here. Going to pop up, ask me to confirm another transaction, and bam, it is now in the contract. As you can see, this view balance button is now flashing in my face telling me to click it. So I need to create the viewing key for the rewards now, so it's going to automatically fill that in for me to do my viewing key. Click submit, set that fee to average or high, approve it. A couple seconds here. I believe that was successful. I'm just going to refresh this page really quick. Sometimes the bridge front end is a little slow to update, so just if it's stuck, just refresh that website. As you can see now, the Ethereum balance up in this top right has gone to 0. 0 of it is available now because it is all in the bridge mining contract. It is not in my wallet anymore. So these secret rewards now are accruing every 6 seconds, and that balance is going to go up if you refresh the page. So you are locked and loaded in that contract. And if I refresh the page here, I'm going to see, that secret balance there slowly going up every block. So you can see here, if I reload that, that number has changed. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you're going into the bridge, you're now all set up and earning rewards. If you want to take your tokens out of the bridge mining contract, all you have to do is go over here to the right where it has your locked tokens. It's showing that 0.1 Secret Ethereum balance there. Click that 100% or whatever percent you want to take out of the bridge. Click withdraw, and you're going to get prompted for another transaction. And bam, you see that balance in the upper right goes back to 0.1. I've now taken that Secret Ethereum out of the mining contract, put it back into my Kepler wallet. If I go to my Kepler wallet here and scroll down, give it a second to load, there's my Secret Ethereum back in the wallet there. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to convert back to ERC-20 or Ethereum, you're going to go back to the bridge side of things. You're going to click this button where it's secret network back to Ethereum. I'm going to convert Ethereum here. I'm going to type 0.1. I'm going to click use my address, or you can use any other Ethereum address here, and it'll have no link to your original address. So put a MetaMask wallet in here. This down here going the other direction needs to be an ERC-20 compatible address. I'm going to click continue. It's going to tell me the fees that I have to pay. They're very high going the other direction back to Ethereum because of Ethereum fees. And you would just click confirm and go through that whole process again. I'm going to leave these in here for now because I don't want to incur these $77 of fees for this tutorial. But that is how you do it, guys. I think I've shown you pretty much everything with the bridge. If you have questions, join the Discord. There's a bridge support channel. Myself and others are happy to help you out. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.